Live from downtown Detroit, Local 4 News at 6 starts now.
Reaction is pouring in after a judge strikes down Michigan's 1931 abortion law, calling it unconstitutional. That ruling came down this afternoon from a court of claims judge, and it blocks enforcement of the law.
A decision that is likely to face challenges as the abortion battle continues to play out in Michigan. Rod Maloney live now with the ruling reaction and why some say this case actually has little bearing on the issue. Rod?
Right, Devin. You know, the judge had a very complicated job here, a case, because there were claims, counterclaims, lawsuits, the legislature weighing in, some prosecutors, other prosecutors not wanting to enforce the rules and enforce the law, and many people, including the governor, wanting this rule or this law to be found unconstitutional. But in the end, there are some saying that really isn't going to have much impact. Let's hear. Court of Claims Judge Elizabeth L. Gleicher's ruling ran 22 pages, but in the end, it said of Michigan's 1931 abortion law, quote, MCL 750.14 is facially unconstitutional because its enforcement would deprive pregnant women of their right to bodily integrity and autonomy and the equal protection of the law, end quote. Furthermore, she intends for the Attorney General to tell Michigan prosecutors not to enforce the 1931 law. Quote, enforcement of 750.14 will endanger the health and lives of women seeking their constitutional right to abortion. Enforcement also threatens pregnant women with irreparable injury because without the availability of abortion services, women will be denied appropriate, safe, and constitutionally protected medical care, end quote. Michigan Right to Life Legislative Director Genevieve Marnin says that the judge's ruling sees something in the Constitution that is not there.
This judge should know it. The Court of Appeals has already determined that there is no right to abortion in the Michigan Constitution, and that was done in 1997 when Judge Gleicher was the attorney on that case, and she lost.
Still, Governor Whitmer is elated by Judge Gleicher's decision. Quote, today the courts have ruled once again that Michigan women have the right to make medical decisions with their health care provider and those they trust, end quote. We reached out to former U.S. Attorney Barb McQuaid to give us some perspective.
I'm sure this won't be the last word. I'm sure this case will be appealed, and ultimately all of these cases, I think, are destined for the Michigan Supreme Court, who will have the last word on this.
Now, the one thing we do know is that this is a permanent injunction, so at least for the time being, prosecutors will not be able to prosecute the 1931 law. Back to you.
Permanent for the time being is exactly the right way to put this, Rod, and why it's so complicated. But it does seem very designed for appeals. What are you hearing?
Yeah, well, I've called up to Lansing, and I'm hearing that at least in the House, they are looking at this decision to try and make a decision as to whether to appeal, and it would appear that that is likely, and that we're going to be hearing much more about this in the days and weeks to come.
You got it. All right, Rod.